how to redeem vanilla gift card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can redeem our vanilla gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to redeem your vanilla gift card online, it's actually quite very simple to do. But first I would recommend you go to vanilla gift, and if you haven't activated your card, you can click on activate your card. If you want to check your gift card balance, you can go to check balance option, and then you'll be able to check the balance. Now talking about redeeming your vanilla gift card acts like a normal Visa debit card, right? So if you want to redeem your vanilla gift card, you can redeem them on any app or services like Amazon, Flipkart, or Temu, wherever else they accept debit, Visa or credit card. Then you can just add your vanilla gift card payment method normally there, like a credit or debit card. So you don't need to go to the gift card section, but you need to go and add it as a normal payment method, and once you've done that, you will be able to redeem the gift card. So it just depends upon which app or service that you're using. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.